Skin or scalp examination and analysis management L3 system accurately inspects the outer skin or scalp, the stratum basal, the stratum corneum, and the sebum production process in pores. Accurately examines and analyzes outer skin or scalp, the stratum basal, the stratum corneum, and the sebum production process in pores. Inspection and analysis help with reliable consultation with customers. It uses 60 times magnification of TN or TB1 lens that can implement 3 images and an Android digital device that is easy for anyone to use. As it is a device used directly on the skin, it can be hygienically managed by mounting a sterilization lamp on the scope stand. The core of the skin or scalp examination and analysis management L3 system is TN or TB1 lens in 60 times magnification. It clearly and accurately shows the condition of customer's skin or scalp, capable of examining skin sensitivity, the amount of dead skin cells, the amount of sebum, as well as skin texture, pores, the presence of pigmentation, and wrinkles. For the scalp, can examine scalp sensitivity, the amount of scaly scalp, the amount of sebum, as well as the type of hair loss, hair density, and thickness. The Skin or Scalp Examination and Analysis Management L3 system uses Casey's unique microscopy optical photography technology to precisely test the condition of the outer skin or scalp, stratum basal, stratum corneum, and the process of sebum production in the pores within the microscopy, presenting high-quality images that clearly show the differences before and after treatment. Data obtained through precise examination photos is transformed into reliable and meaningful information, offering effective consultation and treatment methods to the customer. Quick and easy checking of the customer's skin or scalp examination results through the app, with the capability to save the results by time and date. By viewing the skin or scalp examination results saved by date, make clear comparisons before and after treatment, and continuously understand the customer's condition accurately for the provision of suitable prescriptions and treatment methods for the customer. Easier access to the customer's skin or scalp condition, professionally and accurately. Start trusted consultations with your customers using the Skin or Scalp Examination and Analysis Management L3 system.